Good day, everyone. We are working out these past paper questions. Number one, a man's salary is $45,000. His tax-free allowances total 13,000. He has to pay a tax of 20% on his taxable income. The tax payable is so his tax-free allowances total 13,000. So that means we have to subtract 13,000 from 45,000 to find out how much money is taxable. Okay, we then have to find 20% of 32,000. So 20 over 100 by 32,000 over 1. So cancelling zeros. We have 32,000 times 2, which gives 3,200 times 2, which gives $6,400. Alright, so this is the amount of tax that he would pay. So the answer is B. Let's look at number 2. If EC $2.50 is equivalent to US $1, then $20 EC in US dollars is. So let's set up our three-line statement. So 250. So we have the EC 250 being US $1. Okay, 1 EC now will be right hand over left hand, 1 over 250, and 20 EC will be 20 over 1 times 1 over 250. Okay, so this would be 20 divided by 250, or 20 divided by 2.5. Okay, so let's do that. 20 or 2.5 is 20 over 5 over 2. 20 over 1 by 2 over 5. 5 into 5, 1, 5 into 24, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so we are looking at $8 US. Our answer is B. Let's look at number 3. Which of the following statements describes a set of integers greater than -3 but less than 6? So the set of integers x. Okay, so we know that it is more than -3, which means that -3 must be less than x. And x has to be less than +6. Okay, so we look at the set builder notation here. And the best answer is A. A is our answer. X such that -3 is less than x. Oh, sorry, it's not A. This is a mistake. The answer would have to be D. Okay, x such that -3 is less than x, which is less than 6, where x is a member of the integers. Capital Z represents the integers. Okay, so our answer is D for number 3. Let's go on to number 4. The arrow diagram above best describes the relation. Okay, so we have a relation here. We have a mapping diagram here. X is mapped onto Y. And let's look at A. Y is less than X. Is that true? 8 is less than 2? No. So this has to be wrong. Let's look at B. Y is a factor of X. Is 8 a factor of 2? No. 8 is not a factor of 2. So this is wrong, because 8 cannot go into 2 without leaving a remainder. X is a multiple of Y. Is that true? Is 2 a multiple of 8? No. 2 has to be 8 or a number bigger than 8 so that 8 can go into 2 into the value of X without leaving a remainder. So C has to be wrong. And D. X is a factor of Y. Let's look at this one. Is 2 a factor of 8? 2 could go into 8 without leaving a remainder. Is 2 a factor of 10? 2 can go into 10 without leaving a remainder. Is 3 a factor of 9? 3 into 9, 3, no remainder. 4 is 4 a factor of 8? 4 into 8 is 2 without leaving a remainder. So this is the correct relation here. Dx is a factor of y. Which of the following sets is represented by the function f of x is x squared plus 3, where x is a member of 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's input these numbers. So when x is equal to 0, we have f of 0, and f of 0 would be 0 squared plus 3. Alright, 0, which will be 0 plus 3, which will be 3. So our first coordinate is 0, 3. Our first ordered pair is 0 and 3. Let's try f of 1. So we have 1 squared plus 3, which is 1 times 1 is 1 plus 3, which is 4. So our answer is x equal 1, y equal 4. That's our second ordered pair. So we know that A has to be wrong because they have 1, 1. C has to be wrong because they have 1, 5. So the answer is either B or D. So let's look at f of 2 now. F of 2 goes to x squared, which is 2 squared plus 3. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 is 7. So our third ordered pair is 2, 7. So we know that B has to be wrong. The only right answer could be D. And let's just do the last calculation. F of 3 is 3 squared plus 3. We are always using this function here to do our substitution. Just 3 3s are 9 plus 3, which is 12. So this coordinate here would be 3, 12. Okay, which is D. So D is our answer. So these are our answers, and do have a very safe, productive, and happy day.